Common factor and multiples. Common factor and multiples. For example, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Similarly, the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. For every number, 1 is the factor as well as the number itself. Okay. Now we will see the common factors of 12 and 16. 1, 2 and 4, out of which 4 is the greatest common factor. Okay, since 4 is the biggest number among 1, 2, 4, so 4 is the greatest common factor here. Now we will see the common multiples. 24 is the common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. How it is? We will see the multiples of 2 up to 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. These are the multiples of 2. Now we will see the multiples of 3 up to 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Multiples of 4 up to 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. Multiples of 6 up to 24. 6, 12, 18, 24. Multiples of 8 up to 24. 8, 16, 24. If you can observe, 24 is appearing here. 24 here, 24, 24, 24, 24. That means 24 is a multiple of 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. So it is called as, it can be considered as the common multiple. Okay, it can be considered as a common multiple. Prime factorization. If you can observe, 36 can be divided as, it can be considered as the factors of 2 into 18. Okay, 2 cannot be further factorized. If you can observe, 18 can be factorized as 2 and 9. And 9 can be factorized as 3 and 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So this is called as a prime factorization. We will see one more example. 24. The factors of 24 are 4 and 6. Again, 4 can be divided as factors of 2 into 2. And similarly, 6 can be divided into prime factorization as 2 into 3. This is how we can call it as prime factorization. Now we will see a little bit bigger number, 96. 96 can be divided as prime factors of 8 and 12. 8 into 12 is equals to how much, my dear children? 96. Now the factors of 8 are 4 into 2. See, the factors of 12 are 4 into 3. The factors of 4 are 2 into 2. The factors of 4 here are 2 into 2. That means, if you can observe, the prime factorization for 96 is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. See, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. This is called as a prime factorization. Now we will see the exercise 3.4. First problem. Find the common factors of 20 and 28. The given numbers are 20 and 28. So factors of 20 are 1. Of course, 1 is factor for every number. 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20, because the number itself is a factor. And the factors of 28 are, of course, 1, 2, 4, 7, and 28. Now we will find the common factors. 1, 1. So 1 we can write here. And 2 is 2. So 2. And finally 4, 4 and 4. These are the common factors for the number. Okay. Next one, find the common factors for 15 and 25. The given numbers are 15 and 25. So factors of 15 are, of course, we know 1, 3, 5, 15. Similarly, the factors of 25 are 1 and 5. So if you can observe in these two, the common factors are 1, 1 and 5. So the common factors are 1 and 5. Now we will see for the numbers 35 and 50. The given numbers are 35 and 50. So factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. And the factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 50. If you can observe in these two, the common numbers are 1 and 5. In other words, we can call them all as common factors. Next one, for 56 and 120. The given numbers are 56 and 120. The common factors for 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. And for 120, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 40, 60 and 120. These are the factors of 120. But here the common numbers are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So they are called as the common factors. Next one, problem number 2. Find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. The given numbers are 4, 8 and 12. So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So if you can observe the common numbers among all these three, they are 1, 2 and 4. Hence, we can call them all as the common factors, that is 1, 2 and 4. Problem number B. 5, 15 and 25. We have to find the common factors. The given numbers are 5, 15 and 25. So factors of 5 are 1 and 5. And factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. So if you can see the common numbers, they are 1 and 5. Hence the common factors are 1 and 5. Problem number 3. Find the first three common multiples of 6 and 8. Common multiples. Okay. The given numbers are 6 and 8. So for the numbers 6 and 8, we have to find first three multiples, and after that we have to take the common. First three multiples of 6 are 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 3, 18. And the first three multiples of 8 are 8 into 1, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 3, 24. Next, the common first three multiples of 12 and 18. The given numbers are 12 and 18. First three multiples of 12 are 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 12 into 3, sorry, this is the typing mistake, 12 into 3, 36. The first three multiples of 18 are 18 into 1, 18, 18 into 2, 36, 18 into 3, 54. Problem number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. We have to write all the numbers less than 100. So which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So the given numbers are 3 and 4. Multiples of 3 less than 100 are, these are the numbers, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5, 15. Like that, we have to write up to 99 because less than 100. Similarly, we have to write the multiples of 4 less than 100. 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12, 4 into 4, 16, like that up to excuse me, up to 96, because less than 100 we have to write. If you can observe, see here how beautifully I was rounded up. These are the common multiples of 3 and 4. 12. See here 12, 24, 24, 36, 36. These are the common multiples for the numbers 3 and 4. 48, 48, 60, 60, 72, 72, 84, 84, and finally 96 and 96. These are the numbers which were rounded off in these two. They are the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100. Okay? Observe carefully. Next. Problem number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? 18 and 35. The given numbers are 18 and 35. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Since the common factors of 18 and 35, there is only one, if you can observe. No number was matched one with other except 1. Okay? So 18 and 35 are called as co-prime because the common factors of 18 and 35 is only 1. Next, 15 and 37. The given numbers are 15 and 37. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. And factors of 37 are 1 and 37. Here also the same case, the common factor is only 1. So they are called as coprime. Next numbers 30 and 415. The given numbers are 30 and 415. The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 and 30 itself. And for 415 are 1, 5, 83. Since the numbers have the common factors 1 and 5, if you can observe here, so they are not coprime. Okay? They are not coprime. Now we will see for the numbers 17 and 68. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17, and the factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. If you can observe, they are having the common factors of 1 and 17. So they are not coprime. These two numbers are not coprime. Next number is 216 and 215. We will see the factors of 216 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 54, 72, 108 and 216. These are the factors of 216. Now we will see the common factors of 215. I'm sorry, the factors of 215. They are 1, 5, 43. So if you can observe, there is only one is the common factors of 1 is the common factor for 216 and 215. So they are coprime. They are coprime. See carefully. Next, 81 and 16. The given numbers are 81 and 16. The factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Now we will see the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. If you can observe, only 1 is the common factor for these two. Okay? Only 1 is the common number to 81 and 16. So they are coprime. So they are coprime. Problem number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12, by which the other number will be that number always divisible. Okay? Which other number will that number be always divisible? If the number is divisible by 5 and 12, this number will also can be divisible by 5 into 12. That means 60, right? Problem number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that number will be divisible? See, now we have to write the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So that the number is which is divisible by 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 because these are the factors for 12. Okay. So a number is divisible by 12 can also be divisible by all these numbers, factors of 12. Okay.